Complying with the new European AI Act doesn't have to break your workflow. Welcome to NotarAI, the ultimate hub for certifying your AI-generated assets. Signing a new asset is completely frictionless. Just drop in your file, select the AI model that generated it, add your declaration details, and hit Generate. NotarAI instantly embeds a tamper-proof C2PA manifest right into the metadata. You also get a comprehensive PDF audit trail. This acts as your official compliance record, proving exactly which model was used, the intended purpose, and the human-in-the-loop verification status. Once downloaded, your newly signed asset contains a secure, machine-readable C2PA manifest. It's completely EU AI Act compliant, verifying its synthetic origin directly within the file structure wherever it gets shared. Now, if you want to scale this up and automate the entire process, head over to Workflows. You can pre-configure all your standard compliance declarations for a specific project just once. Simply select your AI model, define the intended purpose, and lock in your human-in-the-loop settings. Once that's saved, you're ready to easily sign all your new assets using this exact preset configuration in just a couple of clicks. For example, say you've generated a batch of images for an upcoming blog post. Instead of doing them one by one, you can select all of them at once and apply your preset configuration. In seconds, your entire library is processed simultaneously, embedding compliant C2PA manifests across every single asset. Once the workflow finishes, you can combine all those newly signed assets into a unified collection. This makes it effortless to download your assets under the correct file names, keep track of your PDF certificates, and automatically host public verification pages that show absolute proof of authenticity for every single asset. Finally, for engineering teams, NotarAI is built to scale. In your settings, you can instantly generate API keys to connect our infrastructure to your tech stack. Our clean documentation makes it easy to automate file scanning and sign assets programmatically. Start securing your AI pipelines today at NotarAI.io.